Before we move on to see the effects of specialization, we have to discuss how to evaluate outcomes. What's a good outcome in this situation? What's a bad outcome? So in our model of the production possibility frontier, we evaluate optimality or efficiency using the same criteria that we use in other areas of economics. We refer to this as Pareto efficiency or optimality. In this class, I'll mostly use the terms efficient, optimal, socially optimal interchangeably. Pareto efficiency is defined as a situation in which it's not possible to improve one thing without giving up something else. This is kind of a confusing definition, and I think the easiest way to understand this is to think about the converse. An inefficient outcome is one where it would be possible to make everyone better off without making anyone worse off. If it would be possible to improve the situation for everyone, why wouldn't we do that? So inefficiencies are important to pay attention to because these are situations in which there are obvious gains that we have not taken advantage of. We can separate efficiency into different categories. And in this model, we're focused primarily on productive efficiency. Productive efficiency means that it's impossible to produce more of one good without giving up some of the other. The trade-off that we illustrate with our production possibility frontier. So you can see that points below the production possibility frontier are inefficient because at this point, it would be possible to produce more of good X without giving up good Y, or more of good Y without giving up any good X, or more of both X and Y compared to point A. So A is inefficient because it is possible to produce more without giving anything up. Points below the production possibility frontier are inefficient, points along the production possibility frontier, on the other hand, are efficient. If we begin at point B, now it's not possible to get more Y or more X without giving up some of the other. We're constrained by our resources, and the frontier represents this trade-off between one good and the other good. So points along the production possibility frontier are efficient, points below are inefficient, and points above the production possibility frontier look great, but they're impossible. It's not possible to produce at point E given our current resource constraint. So we've introduced ourselves to this concept that we'll return to again and again of Pareto optimality or efficiency. We've discussed productive efficiency specifically in the context of the production possibility frontier. And we will continue to apply this concept in different models throughout the course of the semester.